Meet the next generation self-empty robot, the Shark AI Robot Self-Empty XL. It's advanced AI laser navigation. This robot cleaner can do scrubbing 100 times per minute. And it precisely cleans row by row, while avoiding objects day or night. This vacuum cleaner combines powerful suction with sonic mopping. And now with Ultra Clean Mode, you can target in deep clean single rooms. Cleans high traffic zones and specific spots very easily. Its Ultra Clean Mode combines powerful suction with a multi-directional cleaning pattern. It deep cleans corner areas that need it most. The Shark AI Robot also features a bagless, epic self-empty base that traps 99.97% of dust and allergens for up to 2 months. Perfect for homes with pets, it effortlessly captures pet hair, dust, and allergens. And everything is controlled by the app or your voice, with up to 120 minutes of runtime, quick recharge, and resume functionality. Cleaning has never been easier. Get ready for a cleaner home with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that like button and hit subscribe for all updates.